about branch insights or report. To see your branch insight or report, all you have to do is to go to the analytics tab on the sidebar and you are going to see your branch insights. Now you have to know that this is available for users on the business plan and above. The branch insights page allows you to see the branch performance and also channel mix through the branches that you have if you run a multi-branch system. The page uses the filters. Now it is showing us that we have 4 branches, and the top branch that is currently doing well is Lagos branch, and is doing that with an amount of 375,000 plus. We also have the total revenue through the selected period, that is through the filters, and we also have an average revenue per branch of 208,000 per branch. That's the average revenue that we are getting or that we've gotten in the last 30 days. Now, this information is useful for you to know how to go about your business, where to push more resources to, and also how to manage your branch effectively. And you also get to know what is happening in the branches that you cannot physically be in every day. So we also have the revenue performance chart and table. Now this chart shows you how each branch that you have are doing. Currently we have Lagos branch. In the last 30 days I've done 375,000 naira plus. Ibadan branch in the last 30 days has done 321,000 naira, and Port Harcourt branch in the last 30 days has done 135,000 naira. Meanwhile, Kogi branch has not done any sales in the last 30 days. The filters can also be used to see how well these branches have done. You can see Lagos branch is also winning with a total revenue of 6,500,000 plus. Now you can see how the filters help you to choose and see the data within a different time scope. Now let's go to the channel, the branch performance tab. Now in the branch performance tab, we can see each branches, we can see the orders that are coming in through those branches, and we can also see the amount than the average revenue per branch. Average revenue per branch, we can see how they are doing in the last period, and we can also see the actual revenue that has been made. Now Lagos branch has had 1,388 orders in year to date. That is from the 1st of January of this year to this current date. It has done 1,388 orders. It also has a revenue or an average revenue of 22,837, that is per day, and it has really done well compared to the last year. That is based on the filter, and it has done 31 million plus. Now you can see likewise for Ibadan branch, Port Harcourt branch, and also Kogi branch. The branch reports and insights allows you to see how your business is doing in different branches and also compare them, and also how they meet with their KPIs. Now let's go to the channel mix by branch. Now we can see how each branches are doing. Now we can see other branches have 98% working. Others is, this is by channel. In Lagos, 98% of the orders came through orders. Working is 0.9%. That is people that walked into the office to buy, and we have online 0.3%, which means in Lagos branch, what is working the most, the channel working the most is order. Now in Ibadan branch, The channel working the most is Instagram with a 61.1%, and we have online 38.9, which means you want to push more money online in Ibadan branch. In Lagos branch, you want to use other sources that you have that are currently not on Nexus. For Port Harcourt branch, you want to use more of WhatsApp because that is where the sales are coming from. And for Koduri branch that doesn't have any sales, you have to test the waters to see. Nexus gives you the ability to be able to see how each branches are doing. Now, this page, branch insight page, is not the same as your branch management page. This page shows you data and and gives you intelligence for you to be able to make decision in your business. It's an analytic dashboard page. Optionally, we also have the branches page under the business, where you can manage your branches. You can see a bit about how each branch are doing, and you can also add, edit, deactivate, or permanently delete any branch. This is a different page for branch management, but this is a page for branch insights and also analytics.